Agitation demanding NRC update before any census exercise in Manipur continues unabated. Agitations highlight a growing demographic imbalance in both hills and valley, calling for urgent actions to protect indigenous population. In a major medical breakthrough, surgeons at Manipur state-owned Janims Hospital successfully conducts a corneal transplant surgeries, restoring visions of 2 individuals. 5-day 28th annual art exhibition Compare of Imphal College begins. Art and Culture Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash says a full-fledged institution status for Imphal College in the near future. And Manipur's Ketrimayum Maradona clinches gold in the men's 90-kilogram category at 66 IBBFF Senior National Bodybuilding Championship. Moirangthem Robbie of the Indian Navy team also bags gold in men's 85-kilogram category. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm Colonel Sambandharam, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, the news in details. Agitation demanding NRC update before any census exercise in Manipur continue unabated. Meitei community joined coordinating committee Waitho Kiam Sifai, Hauka and the Thobal Kuno organized a protest meet at Thobal Babu Bazaar today. Taking part in the protest, Secretary of the committee's women wing, Pebam Indirani, demanded that the government conduct the census in Manipur only after detecting and deporting illegal immigrants. She highlighted the growing demographic imbalance in both the hills and the valley, calling for urgent actions to protect the indigenous population.
Landagi hojik kaunok masen gi nuksinadaba noma gi henkalai haidi district amaga sangba yadri IDP me ama mi lising hupho gi mathakta mayum makai thadoga leiri makhoi su karamba makhoi gi kaino se kamai detail data phangduino ba makhoi mayum da hanjanaba gi policy sarkar na tawri hai taw hojik phawda adu gi khoi chapchabi su phangdri tasengna hojik census tawbase matik chade maram chungcha chade census tawbiganu hana mitop miya cha singje phajana khantok piraba matungda.
In a major medical breakthrough, surgeons at Janims Manipur state-owned hospital successfully conducted a corneal transplant surgery, restoring vision to 2 individuals. Surgeons at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, successfully performed the corneal transplant or keratoplasty, making a significant milestone in the eye care in the state. Speaking at the media, Janim's Medical Superintendent Dr. K.H. Lokeshwar said efforts are underway to establish a hospital eye bank which will be helpful in addressing the shortage of corneas. He expressed that donated corneas can be preserved for up to 2 weeks in an eye bank and emphasized the importance of eye donations after death. Dr. Lokeshwar also noted that the institute has already conducted over 71 successful kidney transplant surgeries, adding that the latest achievements opened new avenues for advanced eye treatment at the hospital.
Ngasi ekhoi Janimski eye department haibadi ophthalmology department ta mit yengbada ngamdaba naha oiba mi ahal oiba mayam gi marakta mit ki mapram cornea haiba mafam adu sokpadagi mit uba ngamdaba mi khudingmakta ekhoina amasung apport of mi da haibadi yaba mi da cornea du sindokpagi ahanba Janimski oina Janim's history da ngasi ekoi pangtok sagre patient ani khak ekoi di department of ophthalmology gi HOD nodal officer amasung Mohan foundation gi makhada coordinate tawnaraga yamna mai pakna hojik tawsare.
Janim's Department of Ophthalmology head Dr. R.K. Vidyarani termed the successful corneal transplant a milestone achievements and renewed its appeal for eye donation. She said the eye donation project initiated in 2016 has finally become a reality with the successful surgeries. She informed that corneal transplants were performed on a 76-year-old man and a 26-year-old woman, restoring their visions. Dr. Vidyarani lauded the contributions of Nodal Officer Dr. Arun Thokchom, Mohan Foundations and the Guwahati Medical College for their support in achieving this milestone, highlighting the need for awareness. She said eye donations remains low due to lack of information, even though donated eyes can restore sight to those with visual impairment. She added that increasing the numbers of donors can benefit nearly 200 to 300 patients currently awaiting corneal transplant. She also urged all concerned to support the missions of restoring visions and bringing hope to those in need.
Adongi mateng yaudragadi akoina lambi se sangsan basi yarodoineba akoina phan yamna tawninge akoi yamna skillful oire haragasu akoi tawgodoriba donor cornea se phangdragadi amung amoidoineba ko hoji phawagidi akoi donor cornea leitabadi mapandagi lawraga tawbire with the help of Mon Foundation CEC akoi gi iramdam sidagi gi mi singsina akoi gi sigi aware leibirakanda donor se pibirapa oiragadi si se yamna hoji waiting list leiba mi chani se hum leiba mamit uningdana leiba mi singse buhanba aduduna aina si mayamda request sounding base koi loina ma pungchilla kanda udadana leiba akoi gi
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal achieved a significant milestone by successfully performing orthobiliac bypass surgery for a large bilateral common iliac artery aneurysm, making the first such procedure in Manipur. Press release from the RIMS informed that the surgery was performed on a 79-year-old male patient on March 15, who presented with a large bilateral common iliac artery aneurysm with impending rupture. The patient has histories of uncontrolled hypertension and a stroke. Following the successful procedure, the patient has made full recoveries and was discharged last week. The surgical team was led by head of departments of cardiothoracic and visual surgery CTVS Professor Thokchom Chito. The 20th annual art exhibition Come Fair of Imphal Art College began today, showcasing creative works by students. The 5-day exhibition is being held at Hanjabam Shyamo Sharma Art Galleries of Imphal Art College. A total of 69 students are displaying artworks including paintings, sculptures, applied art and graphic. Speaking on the occasion, Art and Culture Commissioner S. Gyan Prakash said the college has the potential to grow into a full-fledged institution and that efforts are underway for the same at the earliest. He encouraged students to work harder in the field of fine art, stating that once the college becomes a full-fledged institution, teachers will be appointed as per UGC guidelines. College Principal K. Dilip Kumar stated that the inclusions of a fair along with the exhibitions provide students an opportunities to showcase and sell their artworks. Outstanding students were also felicitated during the program.
Sculpture, graphics, applied art, commercialized packaging, Manipuri Praza art Pupambiba, Aduna Tragasu, Samsana, Manipuri, Angang Camp, talented Oyaze, in Biru Law.
Ladiba, category painting, sculpture, applied art, amati graphic art, a city method, a hemba, commercially educa, in Kalay was Shinga Yamna, Kimatabu, Pamnava, get to her patients, no Makal Batian Singasi, and one Satari.
An exhibition of food product made from soft-celled jobs tier or LD millets, locally known as Chening Athotpa, a type of cereal they found in the state, was held today at Manipur University. Manipur University's Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra inaugurated the exhibition held under the collaborative efforts of ICAR and IARI at Manipur University canteen. Several food products made from soft-celled jobs tier, including bakery items, were showcased at the exhibition. Speaking on the sidelines, Manipur University's Botany Department Associate Professor Dr. Thangjamd Robert said Channing Athotpa will have a significant impact on the socio-economy of state's farmers. He noted that Channing Athotpa is good for people with gastrointestinal problems and is also a rich source of protein, healthy carbohydrate, calcium, iron, phosphorus, vitamin B1 and vitamin B2. Bank Demand Committee Kwakta warns of launching intense hesitation if the proposed plan to open a branch of Bank of India in Kwakta is shifted to another location. The committee gave a one-week ultimatum for relevant authorities to establish the bank branch at Kwakta. Failing, it warns that locals, along with civil society organizations, will begin protests. Speaking to media at Kwakta Bazaar today, committee convener Aribamd Ziauddin said residents opposed attempts to relocate Bank of India branch from Kwakta to Moirang Okshubung. He said the matter was brought to the attention of Moirang MLA, Vishnupur DC and State Special Secretary Finance after noticing a signboard indicating the bank branch at Moirang Okshubung. Authorities reportedly assured that the locations would not be changed.
Highly relief machine of bank like the thing problem Mayamasi in Biraga, Bank of Marie Lenary Karmasari Mayam Punamuna, Amasung, Manipur government, housing Hopi, has been but has a Shigi Matata. A two matamda, Sayul Shimunda, Wakada, Bank Tambinaba, Bank Demand Committee, Wakta, Makedi Hanana, Tamin of Apil Dojeri, Masipuna Musit, Begin Hybrid, Tazabasule, Tergumba Tamdava Taragadi, Manipuri CSO Mayam, Hungogagi Public Punamana, Makal Mahaka, Hungani, Maramaraga, a two matamda, which Siki Murunda, humble Apile, Wakada Bank Tambinaba, Miragi Tonga, Apil Dojeri.
Manipur Naga People's Front MNPF strongly condemned the firing incident carried out by NSC and IM at the Hongpai village under Kasom Khulan subdivision in Kamjong district on March 27, which resulted in the death of 4 cadres belonging to NSC and IM Eastern Flank. In a press release issued by MNPF Secretary Publicity Thomie Numai, the front describes the act as a grave act of ignorance of the same blood, particularly amidst the ongoing Kuki-Naga conflict. The front also demanded clarifications for bereft families of the victims and the Tangkhul community, questioning under whose authority the 4 cadres were gunned down. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 3rd death anniversaries of renowned Natta Sankirtan Guru Padma Shri Saugaijamd Thanil. We'll be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact.
Khanghan Jaba Impact Cable TV gi franchisee oinaba khudong chaba pizari Impact TV gi network asibu henna pak chauna sandoknaba amadi subscriber singda high quality service pinaba pandamda cable TV franchisee sing kaujari requirement singdi optical fiber amadi coaxial cable networking da ningthi na khangba amadi semsaba heibagaloinana local network ta manage tawba ngamba oigadabani cable TV gi franchisee asibu pambiba singna screen da pizariba number sing asida call tawbirau natraga kasham pataleba Impact TV gi office ta lengshin birau.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English Bulletin and moving on with our bulletin. 3rd anniversaries of Natta Sankirtan Guru Padma Shri Saugaijam Thanil was held today at Shri Shri Radha Madhav Mandir Yaskul Yumnamd Leikai, Awang Leirak. Attendees paid floral tributes to the late Pung Guru of Natta Sankirtan Saugaijam Thanil. Speaking on the sideline of the death anniversary send of the late Pung Guru, Saugaijam Bogen highlighted that collected works of the Guru Thanil, including Khomjillaba Maitei Punglond Tanjau, Punglond Rajmeld Taragani Thoi, Natta Sankirtan Raj Punglond Amadi, Ras Humpumari Saishak are being taught in Manipur University of Culture, Assam University and Vishwa Bharati Santiniketan. He noted that during Guru Thanil's lifetime, he had made significant contributions in elevating Nat Sankirtan as intangible cultural heritage of humanity of UNESCO. Bogand also noted that Guru Thanil served as a member of expert committee of Ministry of Culture, General Council and made significant contributions in preservations and promotions of Manipuri Nat Sankirtan. Today's program was graced by Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy's Vice Chairman, Long Jumped Jay Chandra, Sangit Natak Academy awardee Laima Pokpam Lakpati and the former director of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Laipubam Upendra, among others. It may also be mentioned here that Guru Thanils also served as executive council members of Manipur State Kala Academy, Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Pradhan Guru, IGNO Syllabus Committee Consultant and the chairman of Manipur University of Culture Syllabus Committee.
Babagi amaga loina jaramba khoi sata sing college ki mai khongdoi sing loina na asima akoina babana thamuda mana culture da kathomba mana UNESCO da san bi matang da baban logjaramba main ron mayama adigi mana phongjaramba larik mayam lei laising ase akoina sum thilubada ani university da sam university da ayamba lei dei kitang wena kitang sata sing jina kitang hen wajana tawjaramba thabak sije hen pautok chawthokna ba akoina adugi mesa su dum khonaja gena khali maming laraba india gi institution da babagi magi honajamanna magi sata singna achoba role loi lawduna leidi hoji
Acharya Kakching Tabam, the Brajamani Sharma from Manipur was conferred with the Gita Sanman 2026 during the 48th annual Sahasra Gita chanting celebration organized by Gita Parivar at Param Dham in Kurukshetra, Haryana. Brajamani Sharma received the honor for his contributions in promoting Sanatan values and teachings of Srimad Bhagavat Gita, Sri Hanuman Chalisa and Ramayana by translating them into Manipuri. Members of Veda Vyarthi Sansthan Manipur accorded him the warm reception upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Speaking to media, Brajamani said inner peace is the process to bring peace in the world. He also revealed plans to translate 18,000 slokas of Srimad Bhagavat Gitas and Ramcharitmanas into Manipuris and publish his work in both Meitei Mayek and Bengali scripts.
International gi oiba sangsthana ma Gita bu pamba Gita bu nuksiba ayama mana Kurukshetra da akoi North Eastern da maru oina ai samak masoi gi marum pang singna Gita bu miyo bajati gi oina ketang khanghona ba hona ba du khangbi ba du khaktani da mokhoina singtha bi bagi wani khoina kar hona jaba sahi ni pu yang kai changna hona jara pisi sak khangbi ba do adu khaki wa da miyo bai khoise aeroplane todana missile kaptana tawbasida shanti di sufang phangoi shanti di pukning da legadabani pukning di holy book sane khangna ba adugi manungda amo oiriba Gita se masi paiba matamda laira bigi nungai tabasu leite ena khunmegi chokthok pasu yaude simadi practical le ure hen khal masimo mayamda leiraga di am ingene khal.
Artists in Yaskul Assembly constituency who are above 60 years of age as well as those who are ailing and unable to work will receive financial assistance under the Yai Artist Welfare Fund. This was announced by Yai Artist Welfare Fund Secretaries and Yai School of Arts Principal K.S. Vishwa Mitra during a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club. Vishwa Mitra stated that the fund was established under the patronage of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker and Yaskul Assembly Constituency's MLA T.A. Satyabhata, citing the absence of a proper policy for artists in the state and their generally weak financial conditions. He further informed that works related to the initiatives will be expedited and is expected to be completed by April 15th.
Performance to Mutraba, Homunda, Ana, Kuyana, Yawa, Tinga, or artists Mutru, Yambana, Awana, Nambana Yambo, artist in Munusi. Shema the lightest of the Yambo. Madam the Ecoy state economy, the Manipur, artists in you will contribute to policy. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯊꯦꯜ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯟ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯈꯥꯏꯅ
Just Mateng Service Private Limited announces a Mateng Education Festival for students in April and May this year. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Managing Director K.H. Bonisand informed that Mateng Education Festival will feature 5 major events, including a pre-NEET examination for aspiring medical students. Various other activities aimed at enhancing student skills and academic growth will also be conducted. Organizers have invited students from across the state to actively participate in the festival.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠ 5 ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠ 5ꯗꯣ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯖꯨꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯖ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯄꯦꯟꯇꯤꯡ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯠꯁ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯪ ꯏꯅꯣꯚꯦꯇꯔ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯪ ꯏꯅꯣꯚꯦꯇꯔ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯖꯨꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ 12 ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔꯗꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯣꯄꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯚꯦꯂꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯖꯕꯅꯦ.
Ipal Tingbang Lupt Manipur organized its 58th editions of Sajibugi Yening E themed blood donation camp at Jennings Blood Bank Imphal today. A total of 25 individuals, including 3 women, donated blood during the camp. The group's secretary S. P. Barrell stated that the initiative aims to help address shortage of blood for patients across the state. He also appealed to come forward and donate blood for the greater good. Under its Civic Action Program, Assam Rifle distributed hockey kits to players of Social Youth United Club at Uchekond Kuno, promoting sports and youth development. Residents appreciated the initiative. Meanwhile, the district-level security meeting was held at Somsai Garrison, Ukrul, chaired by Deputy Inspector Generals of Assam Rifle. Key officials, including district commissioners and superintendent of police, attended the meeting to review the security situation and stress better coordinations and intelligence sharing. Liangmei Organic Market will be open from 5 a.m. on April 2nd at Mingle Club, Chajing Awang Laikai, Chajing Kangjibung near Regional College, Imphal West. U.S. President Donald Trump has told his aides he is willing to end the military campaign against Iran if its Strait Hormuz remains mostly closed and dealt with reopening it at a later stage, according to a Wall Street Journal report on Monday, citing administration officials. In recent days, Trump and his aides conducted that any efforts to reopen the checkpoints would extend the conflict beyond his planned 4 to 6 weeks. He decided that U.S. should focus on its main aims, that are weakening Iran's navy and its missiles stockpiles, and then scale down the fighting while using diplomatic pressure to push Tehran to restore normal trade flows. If that does not work, officials said Washington would ask its allies in Europe and Gulf to take the lead in reopening the strait. Now the news from the world of sports. Manipur's Ketrimayum Maradona claims a gold medal in the men's 90 kg category at the 66 IBBFF Senior National Bodybuilding Championship held in Pune, Maharashtra from March 28 to 30th under the aegis of Fitness Federation. Maradona represented Manipur team at the championship. Moirangthem Robi, who represented Indian Navy team, also bagged gold medal in the men's 85 kg categories, and Loitongbam Netajit of Manipur team secured 5th position in men's classic bodybuilding category. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand congratulates Upendro Thongam, Nongmai Themd Pamhaiba and Loitongbom Victor for winning 3 gold medals in the Senda event of the 10th World Junior Wushu Championship 2026 in China. Also congratulating Konthaujam Devika Rani for securing silver and bronze, and Lanchenbi Chanu Rajkumari for earning a bronze in the Taulu event at the same championship. The Chief Minister, in a social media post, described the achievement as a proud and historic moment for Manipur's, bringing immense glory to the state and nation. He also extended best wishes to Lanchenbi Chanu Rajkumari and Linthoingambi on their selection for Youth Olympic Games Dhaka 2026. The Chief Ministers wished the young players continued success in the years ahead. Manipuri chess players R.K. Bhogan secured 3rd position at All India Open, the Classic FIDE rating chess tournament held at the Sivasagar, Assam from the March 24 to March 29. Imphal West District Chess Association President R.K. Bhogan secured 8 points in the 10th rounds. With this, he received 31 points of FIDE rating. At the ongoing 3rd Kakching Tabam Kunjabi Sharma and the Kumari Kakching Tabam Amita Devi Memorial League Cum Knockout Kang Tournament at Sri Sri Gopala Deva Mandap, Kangshang in Yeskult, Oinam the Kankut defeated Gopala Deva Kankut Yeskult by 15-9, score lined in the 7th league match played today. The tournament is jointly organized by Gopal Deva Kankut and Yeskult Kankut under the sponsorship of the K. Amit Kumar and his family. The next league match will be played tomorrow. Rays Nagamapald and Nabsa Kha Imphal emerge as winners by defeating their respective opponents teamed in league matches of a 3rd Khomdramd Ongbi Hijamd Mema Devi Memorial T20 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament played today at Langthabal Public Ground. Rays Nagamapald defeated KSDO Kiamgai by 8 wickets in the 3rd league encounter, while Nabsa Kha Imphal Tres NCA Numbol by 8 wickets in the 4th league match. The next 2 league matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. The tournament is being held under the aegis of Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Agitations demanding NRC updates before any census exercise into Manipur continues unabated. Agitations highlighting growing demographic imbalance in both hills and valley, calling for urgent actions to protect indigenous population. In a measure, medical breakthrough, surgeons of Manipur state-owned Jennings Hospital successfully conducted corneal transplant surgeries, restoring vision to 2 individuals. Five-day 20th annual art exhibition Cum Fair of Imphal Art College begins. Art and Culture Commissioner H. Gyan Prakash says full-fledged institution status for Imphal Art College in the future. And Manipur's Ketramayum Maradona clinches gold in men's 90 kg category at 66 IBBFF Senior National Bodybuilding Championship. Warangtem Robi of the Indian Navy team also bags gold in men's 85 kg category. Thank you so much for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. In the meantime, have a great evening and always stay safe.
Lana Thauram, Malem Taibang Panda Equigi Irakta Tinbira.